Have you ever wondered how math can be found in nature? Imagine walking through a garden and seeing the spirals of sunflower seeds or the swirls of a seashell. These patterns are not random, they follow the Fibonacci sequence. This magical series of numbers starts with 0 and 1, and each number is the sum of the two preceding ones. Look closer, the petals on flowers, the arrangement of leaves, and even the branching of trees follow this sequence. Now, picture a classroom where children are learning multiplication tables with colorful charts, singing the alphabet song, and discovering the magic of numbers with fun music. By understanding the Fibonacci sequence, they unlock a secret code of nature, making math not just a subject, but a thrilling adventure.